make Popeye spinach quiche. 500 grams of flour. 50 grams of butter. Cut the butter and put it into the flour. Add linseeds and start mixing. Add 50 milliliters of water and keep on blending. Put a plate on top of the dough. Put in the fridge for 1 hour. Now put the dough inside the oven on 225 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the dough in the oven and leave it in there for 10 minutes. Add 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix! Tablespoons of lemon. Add salt, pepper, and the holy green goddess seasoning blend. Add the wet mix to the dough. Now add cheese, and remember, you can never get enough cheese. Put it back in the oven at 175 degrees Celsius and leave it in there for half an hour.